Hello, literature lovers. Today I am going to discuss Metamorphosis by Ovid. It is an 8th AD Latin narrative poem by the Roman poet Ovid, considered his magnum opus, comprising 11,995 lines, 15 books, and over 250 myths. The poem chronicles the history of the world from its creation to the deification of Julius Caesar. Within a loose mythocomic mythico-historical framework, although meeting the criteria for an epic, the poem defies simple genre classification by its use of varying themes and tones. Ovid took inspiration from the genre of metamorphosis poetry, and some of the metamorphosis derives from earlier treatment of the same myths. However, he diverged significantly from all his models. One of the most influential works in Western culture, The Metamorphosis, has inspired such authors as Dante, Boccaccio, Chaucer, and Shakespeare. Numerous episodes from the poem have been depicted in acclaimed works of sculpture, painting, and music. Although interest in Ovid faded after the Renaissance, there was a resurgence of attention to his work towards the end of the 20th century. Today, the Metamorphosis continues to inspire and be retold through various media. Numerous English translations of the work have been made, the first by William Caxton, 1480. Now, talking about the theme, the different genres and divisions in the narrative allows the Metamorphosis to display a wide range of themes. Scholar Stephen Wheeler notes that Metamorphosis, mutability, love, violence, artistry, and power are just some of the unifying themes that critics have proposed over the years. Metamorphosis, also called transformation, is a unifying theme among the episode of the Metamorphosis. Ovid raises its significance explicitly in the opening lines of the poem: In nova fiat animus midlis disi forac, means I intend to speak of forms change into new entities. Accompanying this theme is often violence inflicted upon a victim whose transformation becomes part of the natural landscape. This theme amalgamates the much explored opposition between the hunter and the hunted, and the thematic tension between art and nature. There is a great variety among the types of transformation that take place from human to inanimate object, consolation, animal, and from animal and fungus to human, of hyenas and of color, that is pebbles. All are there. That's all for today. Do subscribe the channel to get more awesome contents like this. Thanks for being part of it. Thank you very much.